The all-new KTM 990 Duke brings unmatched levels of precision to the street. Packing 123 HP and 103 Nm into an all-new frame, with adjustable WP apex suspension and highly tuned electronics to boot, this, put simply, is the lightest, sharpest, most performance-focused mid-class naked motorcycle to ever wear the Duke nameplate. LED headlight. An all-new, lightweight LED headlight design adds to the KTM 990 Duke's menacing look while turning night to day. TFT display and connectivity. An all-new 5-bonded glass TFT dashboard is upgraded with the latest graphic and information software. Engine. Into the all-new frame is a 947cc LC8C parallel twin engine, pumping out 123 HP and 103 Nm. Not only powerful, it is also the most compact twin in class, adding to the KTM 990 Duke's nimble handling characteristics. Fork. Keeping the front end in check, WP apex 43mm is an adjustable, open cartridge upside-down front fork. Simply adjusted in a 5-click setting for both compression. Rear shock. The high-quality gas-assisted WP apex monotube rear shock absorber is fitted with a new lighter linear spring winch. Frame. The KTM 990 Duke has been developed with a completely new tubular frame. An aluminum die-cast subframe integrates the airbox and air intakes under the seat, reducing weight. Seat. At 825mm tall and with a 2 degrees tilt up front, the rider seat on the KTM 990 Duke has been specifically developed to provide a sporty swing arm. Featuring a new lightweight, gravity die-cast swing arm, the KTM 990 Duke boasts increased stability and perfect levels of flex. Wheels and tires. A set of grippy Bridgestone S22 tires wrapped around a set of lightweight alloy wheels. Bodywork. Purposefully naked, devoid of any clutter but packed with attitude. Wicked at standstill, and imposing on the move, for the KTM 990 Duke debuts an all-new look for Duke, boasting aggressive lines and design elements that shout power. This new design is further set off with 2 unique colorway options of black and orange, celebrating 30 years of Duke.